Right, we are back to the training to continue from where we stopped. At this point, as I said earlier, you cannot trade the market with this naked interface where there's no indicator at all to guide you. And from the introduction, I said in the synthetic, you don't need fundamental analysis to trade, but you need only the technical analysis to trade, which talks about just the indicators that you would need to set up in your system. Now, indicators are of two types. We have external indicators and internal indicators. We have custom indicators, which are the external as referred. Then the follow come indicators that we'll use here. Now, if you are using, of course, the phone, the Android phone is the easiest to use. And the Android phone does not need you cannot use the custom indicators in the Android phone. If you are having a laptop or an iPad, a Windows iPad, then you can install the MT5 and use custom indicators. The very fact is, custom indicators are more clear to understand than the ones you use from system like this. Notwithstanding, if you understand the system, the moment you understand an indicator or the movement of a setting, you keep to it and try to get more understanding. Don't jump from one to another. When you get the indicators, you get to understand how it moves. And most importantly, the risk management is very, very vital. Risk management, which is to say, not to be over greedy, in fact, not to be greedy, neither to be anxious while trading. That is one of the major problems in forex: anxiety and greed. The moment that sets in, you will definitely make unnecessary mistake to go into losses. All right, as I said, we are going to use the internal indicators here, the follow come indicators here. So let's go to our setting now. From the settings, how do you set it up? You can come, just click on this empty space. You can see it. We have Naira sign here at the down, like N. You click on it here. Or from the top here, you have the Naira sign here. So you click on it. When you click on it, this is mean SAT. Click on the plus in front of the mean SAT. Click on the plus, the F plus there. Click on it. We are going to use, all these are indicators. All these are indicators. So many indicators. But in this our training here, we are going to use only two indicators. Only two indicators for this class. The first one is this Bollinger Band. Okay, Bollinger Bands. Click on these Bollinger Bands. As you click on the Bollinger Bands, your own, this period that you see, your own might be 20. Your own will be 20 like this. So make it 200. Okay, make it 200. Then this description, leave it as, you will still see it as 2.000. Leave it like that. Shift should be 0 as it is. Then apply to close. If you see any other thing here, change it to close. Then level. Level, just keep it as it is. No level, just as it is, leave it. Okay. Time frames. If you click on this time frame, see the time frames. These are the time frames I talk about. The candles. If you say 1 minute now, with this way as it is, any time frame you choose, the indicators will work. But if you if I remove this 1 minute, okay, let me just remove 1 minute and 5 minutes. If I remove, okay, let me keep this 5 minutes. I remove 15 minutes, 15 minutes. If I remove this, anyone you highlight, let's save it. As I save, already this, you can change this to any color. Click on the color, but here I'm using the red. I'm using the red as it is. You will choose color that is clear in your screen. If you are using a black screen, you will use the color that will be clear for you. If it's the white screen like this too, you use the color that will be okay with you. There's no color, specific color that is attached or is attached to any of the indicators. Okay, now here you will see your own at this point, either 2 or 3 is what you see. But me, I'm increasing it to 5. That is the size of the lines. Then down here, yours might be on this dot lines or on this, but I'm using the full line. Now I click on Save. See the indicator here highlighted. Let's go to the charts and see. Look at this is 1 minute. Because I unlight the 1 minute, it is not showing in 1 minute. Let's check 5 minutes. Either it will show in 5. Look at it is showing in 5 minutes, but it's not showing in 1 minute because I removed it from 1 minute. Let me check 15 minutes. 15 minutes too is not showing because I do not highlight 15 minutes. Go to 30 minutes, it will show there because it was highlighted. So go back. I'm just showing that so that you understand what this time frame means. Let's highlight all of them. Save it. Go back. Let's go back to the one and see. You can see it now. 1 minute time frame. It is now showing. And this is one of the indicators we are using. Then second indicator we are using is, we'll use the same Naira sign. Click on it. Then click on this very F plus there. Then go down, scroll down and look for relative strength index. Look at it, yes, relative strength index. Click on it. In this place, you will see your home will not have 4. Okay? Yours will have different figure. I think it's 2 you will see there or something else. So change it to 14. Then apply to close. Apply to close. Sorry. Then this level, click on the pencil sign here. Click on the pencil sign. Then at this point here, you will see only we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 here. But your own, you have only either 3. So just click on this plus at the top here to add more. You can click on this one to add more. Okay, but now I don't want to add, so I want to delete the one that I added. Delete. Okay, after deleting, look at it. The first one will, okay, to avoid confusion, let me delete everything so that we start afresh. Here, you click on this plus to add the labels. Then the first one you put 2. Second one you put 10. You put 10. Third one you put 20. Fourth one 50. Then here you put 20. Okay, you put 80. Here you put 90. And this you put 98. Okay, as you put the 98, the color you can change it to any color of your choice. I'm using red here again. Okay, let me just use, yes, red. I'm using red. The line, you can increase it, you can reduce it. I'm using it at the 3. Then I click on this back arrow to go back. Error has been made. Oh, sorry. Go back. I did not save it. Go back to, okay, relative index. This is the same thing. Okay, so I go back and I click on save. Click on save. It is now here. So now that we have the 2 indicators, we are good to go. This is what we are using. This is what we will be using here to trade. And I think from the previous clips, we said in the boom market, your target should be only sell, while in the crash market, your target should be only buy. Now, assuming you were online at this point, this is 1 minute. Look at it, it's 1 minute. We are now trying to analyze the markets, and this is what you should understand to trade with. We have 2 indicators, this down and the mean chart. You are to trade this anything boom, anything boom. You are to trade when this down window, the red come up to touch at least one of the up lines, at least one of these up lines. Then you can place a trade. And not just that, when you see this appear, when this one come up and you see that it touched it at the point of the spike, just look at here, as in this one here, like this. At this very point, this very point, as it touched this line and you see this one to touch this, just quickly enter a trade. And when you enter a trade, you have to wait for like 5 candles. That's 5 minutes. Then you go off. You take off your trade. Now let me use another symbol. To see either we'll have a better trade there, because this one is already at the down market. Okay, we'll wait for to load. Oh, this one too has gone. See where we would have our trade. At this point, we would have traded as a spike. This come to toss the up. So we would have traded even this one as it spike, it come to toss the up. on the both side, would have traded it. But now all those trades are gone. Okay, even this one, it spiked, it tossed the line. Even this one, it does not toss the line, this one, but we still have 5 candles. Okay, let's see another pair again and see. Let me go for 15, boom 15, boom 150 rather, boom 152 as no market. Go to boom 600. Okay, even boom 600 has no market. Now we have passed the market has gone. This is because I don't want to just stress you into trade that will give you issue. As it is here, as it is at this point, let's look at 15 minutes. 15 minutes is at the top. This at the top. This is also at the top. At this point here, as it is, you can let me place a trade here, one lot. Okay, one lot. I'm placing this trade. Remember, before you trade, you wait for these lines, the down line, to touch at least one of these lines. But here it has not reached any of them. And also here it has taken more than 5 candles already. So it is no more a good trade, but I just want to enter. You just click on sell. It has entered. Now it's reading. Let's just wait for a minute only and we'll go off because the market has already gone beyond what we want. It has already gone beyond what we want. We've already gotten gain now. Now I just trade this trade because from the down window, from this down window here, the red is coming, is at the above, at the top parameter, at the top area. So the up is overbought. When it gets to this overbought at the top, it means that you are supposed to sell now. That's what it means. While the down is oversold. Oversold is you have to go into buying market. But then already we do not meet up when the spike came. We do not meet up when the spike came. We would have traded it at this top here. And this 5 minutes, we have gotten it and now gone off. So I want to go off here. This is just $0.7 in 1 minute. In 1 minute. So I am going off. Close the trade. Close it again. Okay. I want to see just a trade or a market that will be at the point. Okay, let's see this. The indicator is not coming up here yet. All right, look at this now. This is exactly the market we need. Look here, it touched this one as the spike. So let's enter this trade. I'm entering 3 trades. I'm entering 3 times. See the trade. Okay, let's watch it. Let's see how the trade goes. This is just a simple trade. Anytime you see the spike come to touch the top, the red lines, sorry, this magenta lines, as you see it touch the magenta line, the red coming to touch the magenta lines, the spike is above, is up. You can quickly enter a trade. But most securely, this is the point to trade. This is the point to trade. This one. As it touches the up, and also the 2 indicators, all of them get to the top. All of them touches the top. At that point, you are good to go 100% to take your 5 candles. If by mistake it spike, wait, it will come back and meet you. Okay? It will come back and meet you definitely. Look at another one here. Look at this. This one, as it toss it, it's never okay. Look here, it came up here. It came up here. You enter, you get your 5, you went off, you go off. Here again, it spike, you come to touch the top, you enter the trade. You wait for your 5 candles, you take off. The only thing is you must not be greedy. When greedy in the sense that you have gotten your 5 candles, you still want to get more. That is where the problem comes. Like this one, I was not online yet when I was not on this sat when the spike took place. Otherwise, I have gotten my 5 candles already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've gotten my 5 candles. I can now go off the markets. But here, look at it. It is going gradually. It's just going gradually. Okay? Here, as it gets to 1, I will take off the trade. Okay. I'm taking off. Click on it. Click close. Then close again. Go back. Close. Close again. Close. Close again. What have we made? We made $5, $5.8 just now. Just now. So that is how simple it is. That's how simple it is. Now I said take only 5 candles. I said take only 5 candles because you are just beginning. But in this market, it will certainly go down and still go down and still go down. Let me now place another trade again in it. I'm placing another 3 trade here. While this is reading, I will go and I will go to what they call it, boom and crash. Boom market. Crash market. So we'll look at crash market as well. Let's look at crash markets. This is crash market, crash 1000. Let me say crash 1000. Crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000. So, sorry, I opened the boom again. Where is crash? Crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Look at this up here. Both the buy, the sell, and the buy, all of them is green. All of them is green in crash market. While in the boom market, all of them are red. That is to say, it is downward movement making it red, while upward movement making it green. The same thing applies in the crash market. We said your focus is buy. So your target is when the price is down. Look at this. Assuming you are online and this spike, and you see the spike come to this down here, you quickly enter your trade. Look, all this one is a market. You just take your 5 minutes, you go off. Just for 5 minutes, you go off. Look at even this again. At this point, as it comes down to toss, this one never tossed the down well too. But as it comes to toss the down, you enter a trade. Okay, this is another good one. Look at it. You just enter trade as it tosses the down. When it comes to toss the down, look at this one. As it tosses this down and you enter, you get your 5 candles. You go off. All these ones. Look at this. This one touched the ground. How many candles are here? Here are more than 5 candles. See, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. All these ones are just there. You take your 5 candles, you go off. This another spike. You take your 5 candles, you go off here. How about this? Even this one, you take your 5 candles, you go off. See another 5 candle here again, you go off. Once it touches this down line, take your 5 candles to go off. That is just the simple system. Okay, now it spiked. Look at it. It spiked just now. But as it spiked, this down has not come to touch the down line. So you have to wait. You should not trade. You must see this down come down to the lines. Then you place a trade. Let me check another code and see. Another boom. Sorry, crash. Let's check this one. This one too is not available for us. Assuming we came here at this point, you traded, good, but now it is gone. So let's look at 300. All the market, none of them is at a good position to trade. Okay, but let me look at 5 minutes. Everything is on the high levels. It's too high. Let me, 500, crash 500. Okay, see the trade we placed, which is the boom market that we placed. The trade is still going, and just now we've gotten about $10 as profit. $10 as profit. Let me go and check. Let me check this. All of them is all the same thing here at this moment. Okay, let me see. This one too has gone. It has gone beyond our point of trading. It has gone. Okay, let me go to the the crash 1000 again. Okay, this is 2 up. Now I want to just put this trade. This is not when you are supposed to trade. You are supposed to trade when you see these lines come to reach the down, and at a spike you trade a trade. But now I'm placing this trade in crash. What do? You buy. So I'm buying. I'm turning this lot size to 1. Then I buy. Click on this buy at the right side. Look at the buys that I just placed. You can see them. Just less than 2 cents is what the broker took. Whereas in the normal currency pair trade or platforms, you will spend, they will collect like minimum $5 for one full lot size. And look at it, within just few seconds, it is coming to be green for us. While we are there, let me go back to the boom that we placed. The boom. Look at the boom. Look at the boom. So that is the trade. As you see it, okay, our crash. Look at all the crash are bye-bye, while the sell is on the boom. So I'm taking off these trades now. Go off, close. and close. The boom market, we've closed all the boom markets. How much have we made? We've made $21 just now. $21 just now. Just now. Look at your trade history. I think we can see the trade history. Okay? As we remove this spike, the thing just spiked. That is where greed comes in. If we have not removed the trades till now, it would have spiked against us now. So you are advised to take just 5 candles. You go off 5 minutes. As you place your trade, you wait for 5 minutes, you go off. As a spike, are you to trade now? No, because this red is still down, has not come to the lines, so you cannot trade. You will wait. You will have to wait for a better opportunity to enter the markets. Okay, so we will move from here. Okay, this is the crash that we placed, but this crash that we placed too, it does not give us the requirements while we enter, because the requirement is you must get this down. This red must come to touch the line before you enter. But here we entered halfway. We entered halfway. Don't take that risk in your real account. Okay? So we will move from this point to the next clip. In the next clip, we will look at authentication. How to authenticate your trade. As you place this trade now, how to make this trade to stop when you are not online at a particular point. Take profit or take loss, stop loss. But take profit only is what works in boom markets. So let's go down there and continue our class. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do me the favor to subscribe and also share it for your friends also to learn free. We'll see you on the next clip.